going on?
Oh my god, it's been so long since we last posted a video on YouTube.
Yes.
So long that tomorrow is Ramadan.
I can't believe it. Ramadan Kareem, everyone.
Ramadan Mubarak, Ramadan Kareem, to all of those who are celebrating. Inshallah, we make the most out of it.
Yes.
It's just so crazy how fast time has flown. Adam just turned 1 a couple of days ago.
Yep.
Here and hearing
So during this video, you're gonna see me doing a lot of popping in and popping out. Omaya's gonna be doing the talking because I have to entertain him. So give me 1 second, I'll be right back.
Adam is such a foodie. Like, he loves food. Whenever you hear him cry or scream, it's because he wants more of what he was eating.
He's a big kid, mashallah, so he has a high demand for food.
Oh yeah.
And if he's bored and we're not around him, he's screaming for food. So
Yeah.
this is kind of what we've been up to lately.
Very busy. So if you were wondering, oh, I wonder where Omaya and Mo have been. It's been a while since they uploaded. Guys, like, parenthood is no joke.
Yeah.
It's hard. It's
Yeah.
it's a lot of work. Especially when you want to be involved. We're very hands-on. We like to be there with him 24/7.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's been tough. It's rewarding, it's fun, it's exciting, amazing, but also it's challenging. And for two people who have been alone for 10 plus years, like so used to getting up and go, it's a transition. Yeah, go.
You know.
So yeah, we're just so used to like pick up and go. Like, hey, you're bored? You want to go for a walk and go out to eat? Like, yeah, sure, let's do it. Now it's not like that. Now you're bored. Okay, what movie do you want to watch? Like, we're always at home.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's just a little different now. But we still love it.
Yeah, of course. Alhamdulillah. And to all the parents out there, like, you guys are all doing an amazing job.
Yeah.
Multiple kids, 1 kid. Hey man, everyone has their own struggle and success. So my heart goes to all of you. Yeah,
the appreciation. Yeah. After we became parents, our eyes opened and we're like, oh my God, like how are parents living? Like, how are you going to work and coming back home and still being a parent? Like, how? We're parents, but we work from home.
Yeah.
So it's a blessing in itself. And we still find it difficult and challenging.
More power to you guys.
Yes. Like, we're excited about Ramadan. It's tomorrow. We went grocery shopping this morning. And now we are going to clean the house.
Yeah.
Now, I don't know if this is something everyone does. I assume yes. But I remember growing up always cleaning the house, especially for like we're always cleaning the house, first of all, but like a deep clean, like a you know, that kind of clean that makes you feel like satisfied. Yeah. We're just so used to like cleaning before Ramadan.
No, it makes sense because the thing is, like, growing up we used to clean the house, like clean before Ramadan and right before Eid, because you know Ramadan is a month, so during the month, you know, it gets a little messy. I'm just so excited. I mean, that's literally the best month, the holiest month for us here as Muslims. So we're just trying, inshallah, to do our best this month, increase our dua. Inshallah, Allah grants all of our duas. Inshallah.
So with that being said, we are going to deep clean our house. And then towards the end, we'll be decorating. So we're going to, okay, so let's just get started with cleaning and give Adam snacks so he can chill in the meantime.
Yeah.
Let me just quickly show you the mess that we currently have in our house. Look at this. It's just everything is everywhere. It's scattered everywhere. Oh yeah, I didn't show you guys. Okay, I need to show you.
Yeah, we gotta clean everything. Everything.
This right here is giving me so much anxiety. Like, I can't with all the mess.
You know the best thing I think we can do is? You focus on one side, I focus on the other side. And I think, I'll take care of the boxes. Whatever I need to throw in the garage, I'll throw it in the garage.
Yeah.
You go on
also
side.
Laundry, Mo. Don't forget, we have a lot of laundry to do.
I do, but like that's like a organized mess.
Yes.
It's hidden.
Yes.
And it's messy.
Yes.
This is just everywhere.
I know. This is like so visible. And also, I let it get this bad because I knew we were going to deep clean. I know I'm not the only one. I hope I'm not the only one. But you know when you see a mess starting in the house and you're like, it's okay. On Sunday, I'm going to start cleaning. But it starts like that on like Monday where you start seeing the mess start. And then Tuesday, it's just getting more and more. Wednesday, by Friday, you're like, wow. I'm like, where am I living?
You're not even surprised at that point anymore.
Yeah, you're not surprised. You're like, okay, fine. And then Sunday comes around and you have this like satisfaction where you know it's so messy and dirty and you're like, ooh, I am going to clean this place up.
I don't have that same feeling at all.
You don't?
No, this is not therapeutic to me.
This is just so therapeutic. I add to the mess because I know I'm gonna clean it on Sunday.
That's a sickness.
It's not a sickness.
We need to just get this done as quickly. Yeah, it's not. Well, I don't know.
No, it's just we're gonna get it done, so it doesn't really matter if it's a little dirty or super dirty. It's gonna get cleaned.
As long as we just clean it as quickly as possible, that's all.
So you know what? You know what will help if we stop talking and start doing.
Okay, let's go. Let's do it. You're the one talking. Omaya, can you give me the vacuum? So you want to do all that while I could just do it without even having to be Tarzan right now?
I do this all the time. Wait, watch out.
You know how you're gonna know how to get down?
Yeah.
Wait, do that again? Wait, dude. Do it.
Oh my god, it's so cute.
Adam. I don't know how you enjoy cleaning.
It's therapeutic, Mo. You gotta do it like more than once for you to find the joy in it.
Yeah, this is just putting me to sleep.
Okay, now it's getting a little tiring.
You mean cleaning around and all that?
Not only that, like, I don't clean with my hijab, guys. So it's like, it's
true.
so annoying to keep doing this and keep doing this every like 2 seconds. Over there, up there. Uh-huh. Do that, yeah. I can't wait until we do like the changes that we have planned for this bathroom. This mirror, gotta go change these lights.
Yeah.
And possibly change the silver to either gold or black.
Mm.
So we pretty much just finished cleaning. Adam is down for a nap. Suhaila came through and was taking care of him and got him to sleep.
Yes.
I don't know how because we were making so much noise. Clothes, it's getting washed. I got some decorations in, so I'm going to open that up and then show you guys what we got.
Oh, look who changed.
Hey guys, so yes, we did a little outfit change because in the middle of doing this vlog, we're also filming a TikTok video.
Yes. You look pretty, Michelle. Do you need help?
No.
You got it? Oh.
Before you ask, the abaya is from Modanisa and is a 2-piece set. So I'm actually wearing a sleeveless dress underneath. It's not attached. And I love this little like tie thing because you can like make it loose, you can tighten it depending on, you know, what style you're going for. You can tie it at the front or sideways. And also it comes with a hijab.
That's nice. It looks really nice. And the color is nice too.
I put it this way. I don't know if it looks nice.
No, it looks nice here. Look. You can see from the top how Omaya has it. All the way down.
But like I said, we're filming a TikTok and we're doing like the table decoration right now. I just wanted to decorate it before posting it just to see like what vibe I'm going for. But I love this branch.
This is nice.
It's a pre-lit olive
branch.
Olive branch. Yeah, it's so cute.
It's really nice. And then we got
I like it a lot.
And then we got more stuff here that we're gonna set up. So
it's like after we finish cleaning, like look how messy it got.
I know.
After taking out.
But it's a clean mess because we're gonna decorate. So let's get started.
Yes.
So we can eat.
So these are the new lights that I ordered in.
I like.
They're not that long. So we should hang it like right there. Yeah.
This one?
Yeah, and then you see that middle section right there, and then all the way at the end. Yeah. Boom, boom, boom.
Oh, no.
I know. You have to have a lot of patience to do this.
Yeah.
Mohammed, be happy.
Yeah.
This is the last box with the lights.